Did you ask him?
Yeah, he said yes.
How did you ask him?
What a custard. And he said, yeah. And he said, yeah.
What did you ask him?
Yeah.
What did you ask him?
He said, yeah.
I know, what did you ask him though?
What a custard.
What does that mean?
That means can I have it?
Ah.
He said yes.
What is he drinking?
That's for he. For he.
Where did Dash go?